are getting pelted. I'm actually a wee bit scared. Is that smoke? Next on the agenda, if everything goes according to plan. Oh my gosh, there's a baby bird being born. Wait for it. Wait for it. How's it going? Y'all, it's okay. We are getting pelted with hail. Bad hail. See it? Okay. The dogs and I are getting in the pantry. Where is Clara? I cannot find Clara. Come on. I'm actually a wee bit scared. Okay, y'all. Wow. Wow, wow. The hail is already melted. That was scary. That was scary. It's going, it's still around, but it's going east of us now. When you see your little tiny dot on the map and your road on the news, and they tell you to seek shelter, I'm a little tore up. I don't know how people out in the Midwest deal with like tornadoes. I guess you have those little shelters and stuff, but still, the sound of that hail, it was really, and I looked outside, it was like baseball size hail. Yeah. The puppies and I were in the pantry. I rolled out the first part of the pantry and we were in there. I'm actually missing one dog. I'm missing Clara. I know she's in the house. I think she's hiding in a corner. I couldn't find her, but the other three were in there with me. Is that smoke? Wow, wow, wow. It looked like smoke coming in. It looks like smoke on the porch. It's like mist. Nope. This is the worst I've been through. Here she is. Come here, baby. I found her. She's hiding up in the attic. I had opened the door to get something and she snuck in here. It's okay, baby. We all survived. I did find Clara. Clara was upstairs hiding. Bad lighting out here. Claire's was upstairs hiding. I had gone up there to take something to her little attic room and she was up there in the corner. I found her after it was all said and done. All right, everybody's all together again. They survived at the hunt club. Said Austin was very worried. I knew she would be. I hated I wasn't with her. Anyway, I guess we will wait and see what the news shows. I know there was tornadoes.
There was one up in Ringgold.
Oh. Leaves everywhere. Very worried about our roof possibly. You think the roof will be okay?
It didn't hurt that roof when we had them baseball and softball sizes. It's a little hell no. It didn't touch.
All right, y'all. Here we are in the light of day. We're going to see. We're going to check on some things. We're going to check on our friend's place. Hey, y'all. Just leaves. Lots of leaves down from the hail. Good gracious. I mean, the hail was at least that big. Some of it, I saw it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the little ding right there. Yep. I do have some damage. Sure do. How about that? Shucks. See that? Yeah. Well. What did we end up getting, babe? 1.86?
Inch and 3/4 off of it.
1.75. An inch and 3/4. That was just last night. 2 days ago it was 0.8. We've had a lot of rain in the last few days. We're riding around. We don't see any major damage, just leaves. Honestly, I don't think the wind was very bad. It was the hail. The heads are like sideways. Do you think that's from that?
No,
Oh, they were already like that. Okay. I'm reading more into this. But anywho. He was just saying the river hasn't come up so high yet. That's good. You see those whitetails? 2 deer. Missed them. We've already seen like 6 turkeys this morning. Didn't get those on video, of course. Is today the last day or tomorrow? Today is the last day of turkey season. I'm really sad Wes didn't get a turkey this year. We didn't get any turkey nuggets. I guess there's still a chance if he went this afternoon, but darn. Skies are still a little dark this morning. Okay, next on the agenda, cleaning out the barn where the calves were. And we'll tell you why we need it cleaned out today, later on, if everything goes according to plan. Oh, yeah.
Now it's in the shelf.
Oh.
It is.
Oh my gosh. There's a baby bird being born right now.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Look at its eyebrows.
Are we really seeing this?
He's just
What
coming out of the shelf.
are the chances that we were here to see this? She said yesterday she was moving the bottle and the mama flew out, and so she put the nest right there. Oh my gosh, look at those little things. That is so cool. Also, there's so many things always. I was like, why is the dogs are in the kennel while we're doing stuff right here, and it's annoying. They're not happy. Anyway, I'm still trying to get my pool clear, y'all, but we lost a bunch of water last night because this thing came off and it drained down past the thing. So we gotta get that shored up, get that filled up, get the filter back going. I've been through 2 sand filters now, 2 years in a row. So I've swapped to this. So much better. It works. It works, y'all. Those don't work. This works. Okay. Getting there, getting there. Putting some lime down. Oops. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jack. Oh. Trying to soak up some of the wetness. We're getting an arm workout today with the chorks and the muck rakes. It's not so bad when everybody, wait for it, are you ready? Pitches in. That was a good one. Where could we be going? Okay, y'all, new day, new week, sun shining, rain is gone, moved out until possibly 5 or so days from now. It's supposed to be a beautiful week. Lawrence is working on the little John Deere this morning where it was leaking. I don't know if I showed that. It was leaking. One of the cylinders was leaking really bad when we were cleaning out those stalls the other day. So, yeah. And I know I had mentioned that we were doing that for a specific reason, and we were. But our plans for what we were going to do fell through for now. I'm not going to tell you. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen me hint at it in my stories. Don't tell anybody. You got to follow me on there for little tidbits like that, I reckon. But anyway, we'll keep it a surprise until it either comes through or it doesn't, but whatever. Okay, so we're gonna go see how this is going, and then we're gonna get some crib work done, some office work done this morning, right, Bonnie? Let's go see what's going on. Come on. I didn't get her. I wasn't fast enough on the draw. We're here. I hear hammering. Hey, babe. Just saying hey. See how you're doing here. Do you need help? Is that a yay or nay?
Then cutter key done broke off on both sides.
Cotter key broke off on both sides, so that's fun. It's so tiny. Doesn't leave much there to grab. Oh. It's always something. See? It would come in handy. I can be a gopher. It's amazing something so small can cause so much issue. I said it looks like it would just come out, but he said the rust in there prohibits that from happening. And he's obviously already tried to crawl. It's just not wanting to come out. Did you get it? No.
Twisted it off.
You twisted it off? Oh, I see. I see. Now, is it enough to hammer it up in there now?
Get a little punch.
He's gonna try a little punch, see if he can knock it out. Oh my goodness. Back to the shop to find a punch. Oh, did you get it? Almost. Oh, you did. You got it. Very good. Okay. Oh, I totally missed that. It squirted out. Oh, there she goes. Glad you didn't have that facing me. Cylinders are so fun.
You can see what's in the rag and back to the
Rags. If not, I got some in my truck. I don't see any, but I got a bunch. He said most time when one blows externally, the other one's leaking internally. So he's taking the other one off too. Guess it's better to be safe than sorry. If you're doing one, you might as well do them both, huh?
tried it too many times.
He said he's tried it too many times. Well, at least that one cooperated a little bit better. A lot better. Oh, I'm in the way now. Oh, almost got me. Okay, he's got to, I don't know, he's got to do something with those cylinders before he packs them. And then he's got to drive all the way to South Boston, which is like 30 miles away, to get the parts for them from somewhere that is a lot cheaper and readily accessible than ordering them from John Deere place. So anyway, he's going to do that. I am going to do some work in the crib and see what else we can get done today. Y'all, I have to tell you this because this is one thing. I gotta place a reorder. Every single one of my candles sold out within 24 hours. Did not see that coming. I really did not. So, to everyone that ordered, thank you. If you were on my email list, you got first dibs. just like you always do on new products and restocks and all that stuff. Email and text list. If you sign up for those lists, you get a coupon for 10% off your first order for both ways. So if you sign up on both lists, you get 10% off coupons. Anyway, so I know by the time that video went out the other day, a lot of them had already sold out. But thank you. I'm super excited about these candles. I love them. I really do, which I've already talked about them enough in the last video, I know. But anyway, so they will be restocked, and I'm adding another scent for summer. Yeah, I'm excited about it. I'll let you know when they are back in. And for now, let's go do some work that I really can't video because it's all on the computer.